Very cheerful morning. Happy morning. How are you? How are you, my kids? Fine? Okay. Children, what you wear when you go to a party? Nice dress, nice sandal, nice shoes, isn't it? You wear all this, no? But when you go to school, along with uniform, what you wear? Nice shoes. It's compulsory, no? Shoes पहन के ही जाना होता है. अच्छा मैम शूज़ के बारे में क्यों इतना स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं, इतना एम्फोसाइज कर रहे हैं? वाई? बिकॉज आवर टॉपिक इज मैनी यूसेस ऑफ अ शूज़. टुडे वी विल बी हैविंग ओनली रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मैनी यूसेस ऑफ आवर शूज़. सो चिल्ड्रन, आर यू सेट विथ योर बुक एंड विथ योर पेंसिल? येस, it's on page number 36. So children, let's start with our reading. So children, all set with your books? Yes, it's on page number 36. I repeat for you. So children, जो बाहर गए हैं जल्दी से अंदर आ जाओ और अपने वीडियो के सामने सेट हो जाओ रीडिंग करने के लिए. Our topic is many uses of a shoe. Okay? See, whistling along, rabbit is hopping. रैबिट क्या करता है? जंप कैसे करता है? ऐसे करके हॉपिंग करता है. हॉपिंग होम, सडनली ही फाइंड्स हिमसेल्फ ऑन हिज नोज, रबिंग हिज नोज एंड नी. रैबिट चेक्स टू सी what he has tripped on. Hey, what's this? A shoes. Rabbit pulls it out and drags it home. What can I do with this dirty shoe? What can I do with this dirty shoe? Wonders Rabbit. After cleaning the shoe, Rabbit has an idea. He hangs the shoe on a nail. He hangs the shoe on a nail with the toes pointing downwards. Rabbit puts all his carrots into the shoe. Looking at it, he says, "Ah, it makes a handy carrot holder." Ah, it makes a handy carrot holder. Can you see the picture? Yes. A few days later, Rabbit gets a new carrot holder on his birthday. After moving all his carrots into the new holder, Rabbit throws the shoe in his garage. When Mouse is building a nest for her babies, she finds the shoe. Just what I am looking for. Just what I am looking for. She says, "This makes a cozy home for my babies." This makes a cozy home for my babies. Dragging it into a corner, dragging it to a corner of the garage, Mouse and thread it in it a warm and. तो बच्चों, आप उधर ही है ना वीडियो के सामने? इधर उधर तो नहीं भागे आप? यस, ओके, वी कंटिन्यू विथ आवर रीडिंग. Dragging it to a corner of the garage, Mouse puts some grass, cotton and thread in it. A warm and snug home for her babies is ready in no time. After some weeks, the baby mice all grown-ups now leave their shoe home along with their mother. The shoe lies unused for a long time. One day, Rabbit's friend Cat finds the shoe in the garage. This is nice. This is nice. May I take it? Asked Cat. Sure, sure, says Rabbit. At home, Cat puts some soil into the shoe and plants a sapling in it. After a few days of sunlight and watering, lovely flower bloom in the shoe on her window sill. The flower look beautiful. The flower look beautiful in their unusual shoe pot. But once the weather changes and the flowers are all gone, Cat forgets all about her shoe pot. In time, the shoe rolls off the windowsill. Puppy finds it and paws the shoe around a few times. Hey, this is fun. Hey, this is fun, cries Puppy. He takes the shoe toy to his kennel on the farm. He takes shoe toy to his kennel on the farm. In a few months, the family on the farm moves away to a new home. Puppy goes along with them and forgets all about the shoe toy. Soon, new people move in. When Ram finds the shoe in the kennel, he is surprised but very, very happy. He is surprised but very, very happy, smiling all the while. He cleans and repairs the shoe. It now looks as good as new. Then he pulls out its pair and wears them both. At last, Ram has found the shoe he lost so many months ago. The shoe finds the place where it belongs. So it was all about the reading of many uses of a shoe. So children, you will be reading and after that you have to underline the new words. It will be a small assignment for you. So I hope you have followed the pronunciation as well as the reading. In next part we will be going with video. Till then, remain safe. God bless you. Bye bye.